Hey there, health-conscious friends. Welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. Did you know that combining eggs with certain foods could potentially sabotage your health? That's right, folks. Today, I'm going to reveal the best and worst food combinations for eggs, so you can make healthier choices in your kitchen. Let's start with a breakfast classic that might be doing more harm than good: eggs with processed meats like bacon and sausages. Studies have shown that processed meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form carcinogenic compounds known as nitrosamines when cooked at high temperatures with eggs. These nitrosamines have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. Emerging research suggests that nitrosamines may also play a role in neurological disorders like dementia. So what's the takeaway here? Limit your intake of processed meats, and be mindful of how often you combine them with eggs. Your health is worth more than a fleeting moment of breakfast indulgence. Pairing your scrambled eggs with white bread, bagels, or other refined carbs might seem harmless, but it can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Refined carbs are quickly broken down into sugar, leading to a rapid spike in your blood glucose levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling sluggish. Over time, these blood sugar spikes can contribute to insulin resistance, weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health problems. Instead of reaching for refined carbs, opt for healthier alternatives like whole grain toast, sweet potatoes, or a side of berries. Eggs and cheese, a match made in culinary heaven, right? Well, not so fast. Processed cheese, often found in slices or prepackaged snacks, can turn this seemingly harmless pairing into a dietary disaster. Processed cheese is often loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your health. These unhealthy fats can contribute to high cholesterol, heart disease, and inflammation in the body. You can still enjoy cheese with your eggs, but opt for healthier options like feta cheese, goat cheese, or small amounts of cheddar or Swiss cheese. Remember, moderation is key. Pairing your eggs with nutrient-rich leafy greens like spinach, kale, or collard greens is like giving your body a supercharge of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. The fiber in leafy greens aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Add a handful of spinach to your omelet, sauté some kale with garlic and onions as a side dish, or enjoy a refreshing salad with your scrambled eggs. Looking for a delicious and nutritious way to power up your breakfast or brunch? Look no further than the dynamic duo of eggs and avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that helps lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K found in eggs. Try adding sliced avocado to your toast with a side of scrambled eggs, whip up a creamy avocado and egg salad, or create a visually stunning and delicious avocado toast topped with a perfectly cooked egg. If you're someone who enjoys a hearty breakfast that keeps you going all morning long, then pairing your eggs with whole grains is a winning combination. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and promotes gut health. Combining the protein in eggs with the complex carbohydrates in whole grains creates a balanced meal that provides long-lasting energy. Ditch the sugary cereals and white bread and opt for a bowl of oatmeal with a side of eggs, a quinoa breakfast bowl with sautéed veggies and a poached egg, or a slice of whole wheat toast with avocado and a perfectly cooked egg. So there you have it, folks, the best and worst food combinations for eggs. By being mindful of the foods you combine with eggs, you can enhance their nutritional value and avoid potential health risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who needs to know these food facts. Stay tuned for more natural health tips here on Tony Herbal Remedies. See you next time.